everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Teacher Mie, and today on our P3 Road to New GEP, we are going to look at handshake problem. Now, what exactly is a handshake problem? It is when two persons, for example, me and Teacher Smith, let's say we come together and we shake hands, or we can come and versus each other in a sports competition. So it's basically when two persons come together, pair them up, and they can do something. For example, handshake or play a game. Now, so let's dive right in. So this is a question from 2023 GEP round 2. 5 children shook hands with each other. A table that shows how many handshakes for each child except E is shown below. Now, who did E shake hands with? So let's try to understand this table here. So first, let's look at children. A, number of handshakes is 1. What does this mean? A shake hands with how many children? Very good. Shake hands with 1 children. B shake hands with how many children? 2. Perfect. C shake hands with 3. And D shake hands with 4. Very good. So let's try to understand handshakes here. If A shake hands with B, that means that A shake hands how many times? 1 time. And B shake hands how many times? 1 time. So when A shake hands with B, B also shakes hands with A. Okay, so this means that it is corresponding, it's mutual. I shake hands with you, you also shake hands with me. So now, but here we have 5 children. It's not so easy for us to solve. Never mind, let's look at a smaller example. Let's say we have 3 persons. A shake hands once, B shake hands twice, and C, we don't know. That's what we need to find out. So let's try to arrange them in this kind of round table fashion so it's easier for us to see. Now, who should we start with? Now, can we start with A? Now, A shake hands 1 time, which means that he shakes hands with 1 children. It can be B, can be C. Do we know who is it? Don't really know. Never mind. Let's move on to the next one. Let's look at B here. B shake hands twice, which means shake hands with 2 children. Or there is how many children other than B? There is 2 children, A and C, which means that B shake hands with both of them. So we can just draw lines now. Connect them together. Perfect. And now we can check. Since B already shake hands with someone, then other people would have also shake hands with B. So let's try. First, let's look at B, of course. Now, B shake hands twice. And we check. 1, 2. Correct. Is B done? Yes, B is done. So all we need to do is just put a tick here. Next, let's check with A here. A shake hands 1 time. With B. Oh, is A done? Yes, A is done. So we just need to tick here. Now, if A is done, B is done. What do we know about C? C will also be done. So, now, this means that we can solve for C. Now, C shake hands how many times here? 1 time. And who is it? Yes, very good. It is with B here. So then we can write C and C will be done. Voila! We solved this question. So here we can easily solve handshake problems by using this method that we call connecting lines here. So first thing, very first is we need to first start. Where do we start here? Can we start at A? Now A should only shake hands with 1 person. Can be B, can be C. We don't really know. So here we start with B. B has the most number of handshakes here. And we see that B, other than B, there's 2 children, which is the same as the number of handshakes. That means that B just shake hands with all the people. So it's easier for us to do. After that, then we check. Since B shake hands with other people will shake hands with B as well. So we check whether everyone finished or not. So, connecting lines is the method, and we need to first start from the most number of handshakes. And then, after that, we just need to check and then tick for the one who is done. Now, this example, a little bit too easy. Let's move on to a little bit harder one. Let's say we have 4 persons, and let's arrange them. Now, who should we start with? Can I start with A? Shake hands with 1 person. Do we know who is this? Now, what about B? B shake hands with 2 persons. Now, A, D, and C. Do we know which 2? Yeah, don't really know. Never mind. Let's move on to C now. C shake hands with 3 times with 3 persons. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 3 persons other than C as well. Perfect. So we should start at C. So C shake hands with all of them. So we just need to draw lines. So now we check. Since C shake hands with other people will shake hands with C as well. So let's check who is done, who is not done. First, let's check with C. So C shake hands with 3 person. 1, 2, 3. Is C done? Yes. So we just need to put a tick. Next, let's look at B here. B shake hands twice. Now, and B, only one person, only one time. Is B done? Not yet. Now, let's move on to A here. So A shake hands one time. We see, is A done? Yes, A is done. So we just need to put a tick here. So next, since B and D, you see A and C is done, but then B is not done yet. So, and D, we don't know. So let's look at B here. B shake hands twice. And once here already, which means that here, B still need to shake hands with one more person. One more time. Now, A is done. C is done. Can we shake with A and C? Cannot. Which means that B can only shake with D. Very good. So here we just need to connect the lines here. And we just need to check. So B shake hands twice. 1, 2. Is B done? Yes, B is done. Put a little tick here. And A, B, and C are done. Which means that D must also be done. So that means that we can see D shake hands how many times? How many times is it? Very good. It is 2 times. And who did D shake hands with? Very good. D shake hands with B and C here. Perfect. So, very easy. This whole thing here is the same thing. Here we just need to connect lines, and first we need to start from the most, and next we need to check and take the ones that are done. So from this example, what we can see is that, you see, after finishing C and A, see, B is not yet finished. B, instead of needing 2 here, because we already shake hands with C, we only need 1. So that is one thing that we need to take note of. Now with that, we are able to solve our question here. So first thing, let's draw them out and let's label them. Perfect. So now, let's try to start connecting lines. Now, where do we start? Can we start A? A shake hands with 1 time. Do we know who is it? B, C, D, E. Don't know. What about B? Shake hands twice. Maybe it can be any 2 of them. We don't know. C, 3 times with 3 person. A, B, D, E. Out of 4 of them, any 3. Do you know which 3? Don't know. What about D? Yes, very good. So we can start at D. D, shake hands 4 times with 4 children. A, B, C, E. Just nice. Which means that D shake hands with all of them. So we just need to connect lines. Perfect. And now we are going to check here. D already shake hands with many persons. That means the other person will also shake hands with D. So let's check. First, we start with D. Shake hands 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it done? Yes, D is definitely done. So we just need to put a small tick here. Next, let's check with C. C shake hands 3 times. 1. Only 1 time. Is C done? Not yet. But C needs how many people? 2 more. Still need to shake hands with 2 more children. And let's check with B. B shake hands twice. 1. Is B done? Not yet. How many person does B need to shake hands with? 1 more. Now let's look at A. A shake hands 1 time with D. Is A done? Yes, A is done. So let's put a tick here. Then we are going to see A and D are already done. So let's move on to check whether B and C we can start with. Now B need to shake hands with only 1 more. Just now we said. But then there is C and E. Do we know who is it? Don't know. So let's start with C then. C, here, shake hands once, still need 2 more. Just nice. B and E. This means that, can we start with C? Yes, and C shake hands with both B and E. Very good. So we just need to connect them. And now, let's check. So C shake hands 3 times. 1 with B, with E, and with D. Is C done? Yes, C will be done. So put a little tick there. And then let's check with B here. B shake hands twice. With D, with C. Is B done? Perfect. B is also done. Put a little tick. And now A, B, C, and D, all of them are done. Except E here. So this means that E must also be done. Very good. So this means that E shake hands with how many people? Very good. Shake hands with 2 people and 2 times. So here we can write 2. And let's answer the question, who did E shake hands with? E shake hands with C and D. Perfect. And we have solved this question here. So let's look at a very, very big summary here. Now, the method that we use will be connecting lines. Where should we start? Can we just start randomly? Now we need to start from the most number of handshakes here. And then after that, we need to check and tick for those who are done here. Okay? So, very good. So that's all for today's video. And here I have one practice question for everyone to try. Feel free to try, and after you finish, write down the answer in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to scan this QR code here and contact me. No matter what questions, even if you are attempting the GEP 306 book, you can also approach me to ask. And further on, there will be many more events like open classes and mock exams. So feel free to join our 2026 P3 study group. So that is all for today. I'm Teacher Mia from Kangaroo Study. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.